Today, I'm sharing an easy and quick recipe with you again, the Parisian brioche, which will be absolutely perfect for breakfast and for an afternoon snack. It's a delight. We will see the result at the end of the video. I put my ingredients directly into the bowl of the mixer. Ensure you isolate the salt and the sugar properly. Crumble the fresh yeast right in the middle and crack the eggs directly on top of that. Pour in the warm milk. Add the butter. The butter needs to be aerated, not too soft. Make sure it's not cold from the fridge. It must be room temperature. Subsequently, I attached the dough hook onto my mixer and kneaded it manually using speed number 3 until the dough mass was thoroughly amalgamated. Afterward, I incorporated the butter gradually. It is essential to keep kneading until each small piece is fully integrated before introducing the subsequent piece. And once you have incorporated everything, count about 10 more minutes of kneading. The dough needs to pull away from the sides of the mixer bowl. I took out the bowl and covered my dough with plastic wrap. I let it rise for 1 hour at room temperature. It was quite warm here, but you can put it near a radiator. And look how much it has risen. It's truly perfect. The texture is so beautiful. Next, I turned it out onto a floured work surface and degassed it. To do this, press down on it with your hands to release the air. Afterward, with a dough scraper, I cut off about 1/4 of my dough to make the head of the brioche, because the specific feature of the Parisian brioche is its round shape with a top piece. And similarly, with the remaining 3/4 of the dough, I formed a second bowl for the body. So I placed everything in a Parisian brioche mold. I'll put the references below the video. Next, I covered it again with plastic wrap and let it rise for another hour. You see, it has risen well again. In conclusion, I coated it with egg yolk wash and put it in the oven. Look, we get a really nicely browned brioche. The recipe was easy, you saw. It's absolutely delicious. A great bakery-style brioche. We are going to look inside. You will see. Don't hesitate to ask me questions if you have any. I hope you like this recipe. We loved it at our place. See you soon. Bye.